So I told you guys in the last clip that I was going to show you guys the smoothie that I make in the morning. So here's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a banana, the chocolate flavored in the nesquik, and then the red milk. And then with the milk, I'm just going to fill it up to where it says like 200. Can't see it because yeah, there's no way, but it's not the 4 ounces, but a little bit over that. And then a little bit of ice, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as far as like scoop and stuff go, on this I just get like a spoon and I put 2 of them, and like the second one I put kind of small. And I usually have a spoon just for the sugar, but I have one hand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I normally don't. And then like try to dust it off, just a little bit of sugar. And then after I went ahead and put it to the 8 ounces, that way you guys know exactly the measurement. Just put a little bit of ice. It already looks good. Why is my camera not focusing? There you go. Perfect. Just had to touch it. Didn't know that. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this in the blender for a little bit, and then I'll be right back. After that, you get your cup. Mine has a lot of cute dogs on it. Okay, and then you just get this. It's like a perfect amount for me in the mornings because I don't normally, I'm gonna rinse that real quick, drink much in the morning. So this is a pretty big cup, and I like it to about there. Like I said, if you add a little bit more milk, it'll be a little bit more, but I don't like that much in the morning. It's really freaking good. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay lucky.